Today our topic is transportation. Let's start. Truck. This is a truck. Scooter. This is a scooter. School bus. This is a school bus. Helicopter. This is a helicopter. Bicycle. This is a bicycle. Ambulance. This is an ambulance. Police car. This is a police car. Bus. This is a bus. Train. This is a train. Motorcycle. This is a motorcycle. Van. This is a van. Airplane. This is an airplane. Ship. This is a ship. Car. This is a car. Pickup. This is a pickup. Taxi. This is a taxi. Jeep. This is a jeep. Cycle. This is a cycle. Car. This is a car. Rickshaw. This is a rickshaw. Fishing boat. This is a fishing boat. Yacht. This is a yacht. Delivery truck. This is a delivery truck. Cargo. This is a cargo. Rocket. This is a rocket. Sports car. This is a sports car. Train. This is a toy train. Thank you for watching Transport Names. Now we will revise. There are 3 types of transportation: land transport, air transport, water transport. There are 3 kinds of transportation. So let's start. CAR, car. Car is a land transport because it moves on the road. PLANE, plane, aeroplane. Aeroplane is a air transport because it moves in the air. Tractor. TRACTOR, tractor. Tractor is a land transport. HOT, hot. AIR, hair. BALLON, balloon. Hot air balloon is a air transport. CARA, cara. VAN, van. Caravan. Caravan is a land transport. TRUCK, truck. Truck is a road transport, or we can also say it's a land transport. BUS, bus. Bus is a land transport because it is also moving on land, on road. Rickshaw. RICKSHAW, rickshaw. Rickshaw is a road transport. TRAIN, train. Train is a land transport. BOAT, boat. Boat is a water transport because it is moving in water. CRANE, crane. Crane is a land transport. HELI, heli, COPTER, helicopter. Helicopter is a air transport. POLICE, police, CAR, car. Police car. Police car is a land transport. FIRE, fire, TRUCK, truck. Fire truck. Fire truck is a land transport. AMBULANCE, ambulance. Ambulance is a land transport.